learn today how to find the first missing number in an addition question. So, like we always do, the first thing that we do is we will first draw numbers. So, what is the answer that we require in this question? Answer is 27. So, we need to check what we need to add to 4 so that we get the answer as 27. So, let's start. So first what we will do is we'll take our starting number. So that would be 27 because we need it as an answer. And we will move ahead 4 steps so that we can find that number. So let's start with it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have moved 4 steps ahead because we need to find which number we need to add to 4 so that we arrive at what number needs to be added. Okay, so we will start the numbers. We will go backward. So first number would be 27 and the next number would be 26, 25, 24 and 23. So what is our answer? Our answer is 23. Correct. Now let's see one more example so that concept is more clear to us. So in this question, we need to find out which number we need to add to 6 so that the answer is 52. So let's start. We will draw a number line and our starting number would be 52 and we will move 6 steps backward. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now we will start backward. We'll start with backward numbers. So 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46. Okay, so what is our answer? Answer is 46.